You might think cacti are just spiky desert plants, but what if I told you some of them look more like creatures from the deep sea than anything you'd expect to find in a garden? With coral-like arms, barnacle textures, and tentacle-like growths, these plants blur the line between land and ocean. Are they even real? Or is nature playing tricks on us? Let's uncover 8 cactus varieties so bizarre they'll make you question everything you know about plants. At first glance, the sea urchin cactus might make you do a double take. It's flat, round, and patterned with tiny white dots that look like starbursts, or the tubercles of an actual sea urchin. What's even stranger, it doesn't have any spines. It's smooth, harmless, and incredibly alien-looking. No wonder it's also called the sand dollar cactus. This one doesn't even try to hide its sea identity. The coral cactus has a frilly, wavy top that mimics brain coral to the tiniest detail. Its crested head grows in strange folds, usually grafted onto a different stem. Almost like nature spliced 2 species together. Add to that its purples, pinks, and greens, and you'd think it belongs in a reef, not a pot. Known as the breast cactus for its odd rounded protrusions, the blue myrtle cactus looks almost like a mutated piece of coral. Its body bulges and dips like underwater growths, with white dots crowning each bump. Depending on your angle, it might look like a living reef or something out of a sci-fi lab. The Peyote Cactus could easily pass as a dried sea sponge washed ashore. It's small, spineless, and button-like, with a smooth, fleshy body and tufts of fuzz. Soft and subtle, this cactus doesn't scream danger like others, it whispers mystery. It's also sacred to some indigenous cultures, which only adds to its mystique. Coiled, twisted, and impossible to predict, the brain cactus really does look like a brain. But squint a little and it might resemble a sea anemone with its dense, curling stems and soft, spiny hairs. Its patterns mimic the chaos and beauty of underwater life, and no two ever grow the same way. This cactus is so strange, it almost doesn't seem real. The paper spine cactus has tiny, thin, and papery spines, like dried seaweed caught in a current. When sunlight hits just right, the whole plant takes on a glowing, ghostly look, like it's suspended in water. It's not your typical cactus, but that's exactly why collectors love it. This tiny cactus looks like it was plucked from the back of a whale. With its small white radial spines resembling barnacles, the turbinicarpus is a plant that belongs in the deep blue. At least it looks like it. The spines, called tubercles, are laid out in fine comb-like rows that give it an underwater feel. With snake-like arms spreading from a central core, Medusa's head isn't just a name, it's a warning. It resembles a sea anemone or even a lurking octopus. Though it's actually a succulent, not a true cactus, its eerie star-shaped form earns it a firm place on this list. It looks like it might move when you're not watching. So, are these cacti just plants or are they something stranger? If these ocean-inspired oddities made you question what's real, imagine what else is growing out there. If you love this glimpse into the bizarre world of cactus creatures, like this video, subscribe, and join us next time for more strange wonders from the plant kingdom.